Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today we will learn about how to create a distorted effect like this using the displace filter in Photoshop. So let's get started. First of all, import the image on which you want to apply the effect. Then go to Finder or Explorer and select the texture or the background image which you want to use to create the effect. Drag and drop it in Photoshop's new document. Now go to File and save it in a PSD file, naming it Displace. Now go to your image and make a copy of it by right-clicking and choosing Duplicate Layer. Right-click and convert it into a smart object. Now go to Filter, Distort and Displace. Here, change the values to 25 and 30. As you hit OK, it will ask you to choose your PSD file. Choose the file and hit Open. As you can see, the effect has been applied to your image, making it distorted. You can change the values of Displace to get different versions of it. Similarly, you can apply different type of effects to your image. Duplicate the layer again. Import another texture which you want to apply. Save it as a PSD file. Now go to your image, right-click and convert it into Smart Object. Then again go to Filter, Distort, Displace. Change the values and select your PSD file. You can experiment with different values to see different results. In this way, you can use Displace filter to make beautiful distortions to your image. If you find this video helpful, do like and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.